In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to TikTok from Clipchamp quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Clipchamp or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. So let's dive in and transform your creative ideas into engaging TikTok content. First, make your way to clipchamp.com in your web browser. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar or simply searching for Clipchamp on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Clipchamp homepage, you'll need to sign in to proceed. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. For those who prefer using their Microsoft credentials, consider opting for the Continue with Microsoft feature. Selecting this option will prompt you to log in using your Microsoft account details, providing a seamless transition into Clipchamp. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself at Clipchamp's home interface. This is where all your video editing magic happens. To kick things off, click on Create a New Video. This action opens a new workspace where you can begin piecing together your video masterpiece. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Templates. This brings up a variety of pre-designed templates tailored to various platforms, including TikTok. For this tutorial, go ahead and select the TikTok template. These tailored designs will ensure your content fits perfectly on TikTok's platform. After selecting a TikTok template that suits your vision, click Add Template. This will insert the template directly into your editing timeline, allowing you to customize and make it unique to your style. Now it's time to let your creativity shine. Edit your video by trimming clips, adjusting transitions, and adding text or music to enhance your content. Take your time to fine-tune each element until you're satisfied with the final product. When your video is ready, it's time to export. Click on the export button typically found on the top right corner of the screen. You'll then be prompted to choose the quality of your export. For TikTok, selecting a high quality option is often best, ensuring your video appears crisp and clear when posted. Finally, you're ready to send your video to TikTok. Click on Send to TikTok and don't forget to click Connect to TikTok if it's your first time uploading directly from Clipchamp. This will link your Clipchamp account to your TikTok profile, simplifying future uploads and saving time. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and upload a stunning TikTok video using Clipchamp. With these steps, you're well on your way to producing engaging content and boosting your presence on TikTok. Happy creating, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.